Hi friends, today I'll show you how to edit a PSD file in Photoshop. First, let's open our document in Photoshop. To do this, simply move the document into the program window. On the left side we have the tools we will use for editing. On the right side we see the layers of our document. They contain text, objects, effects and other design elements. Let's open the Objects layer group, find the Photo Smart object, and double-click it to open it. Next, let's open our photo for replacement. Go to the Select tab and click on Subject. For more precise cutting, use the lasso tool. After that, right-click and select Copy to a new layer, and press Ctrl+C, then you can close the photo. Using the Ctrl+V key combination, we insert our photo and use the transformation tool to adjust it to the window size. After this, you can close the photo and save the changes. Edit the scale using the transform tool and move it around the composition. Okay, now let's replace the rest of the photos and repeat our steps. So, we've replaced 3 photos, but some flares have shifted. Let's find them in the layer group and move them to the right place. Now let's find the layer with the logo and change it as we did with the photo. Now let's start editing the text. To do this, find the Smart object with the text and open it. All fonts used in the PSD document can be found in the PDF file. After installing them, you can change the text while maintaining the style. Let's select the Type tool instrument and change the name of the font to Music. After that, close the Smart object and save the changes. As we see, our name has changed. Let's continue and use the Type tool to change the rest of the text. As you can see, we've changed the main part of the document. You can continue editing in the layer group where the rest of the text is located. This concludes our lesson. I hope you found it very useful and instructive. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss more lessons. See you soon.